SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable mentions in messages on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you're in a lot of group messages on your iPhone, then it's pretty easy to miss parts of conversations that might involve you. One way to fix this is to start mentioning other people that are in that conversation. You can do this by typing their name, then tapping and holding on it, and selecting their contact. But you might not be receiving notifications about these mentions if you have a certain setting turned off. So if you would like to enable mentions in the Messages app on your iPhone, then you can do so by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Messages option. Then you can scroll down again until you find the Mentions section, and then tap the button to the right of that. With this enabled, whenever you're notified, you'll be notified when your name is mentioned, even if that conversation in which you were mentioned is muted.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.